What are the projections for housing prices according to the experts here in Littleton? What's going to happen? This seems to be the question of the hour, and we get asked constantly. Being in an industry, I hear a lot of insight, and I don't think there has ever been a time with so much uncertainty. So I can see how it can be so scary. So what's going to happen? Well, obviously, I don't have a crystal ball, but it does look like the real estate experts and advisors across the nation are forecasting positive things. Only 2 of the major organizations are saying that we will see a decline, but 7 of the 9 are projecting house prices to go up, ranging from 2.3 to 4.4%. We believe the lack of inventory has a sufficient impact on the projections going up. Right now, we can't bring enough homes to the market fast enough or as fast as people are buying them. Locally, we are seeing price increasing substantially in certain areas, and the buyer's demand is substantial. This has also happened nationally. Let's look at this quote from move.com. Summer home buying season is off to a roaring start. So, buyers flooding into the market. Realtor.com monthly traffic hit an all-time high of 86 million unique users in June of 2020, breaking the May record of 85 million unique users. I personally feel that the low interest rates have a lot to do with the buyer demand. The record low mortgage rates have converted some prospective buyers into active buyers. Many times, as the economic downturn causes interest rates to go down. But as well as the economy recover, we should assume that rates will just go right back up. Remember, interest rates go down, a buyer's buying power go up, meaning that they are able to afford a lot more and qualify for a lot more, and their payment does not go up. Also, if you look at the amount of home purchase applications that were taken out from buyers, according to MBA Mortgage Bankers and Associates, we see that we have 11 straight weeks of year-over-year increase in applications for a new loan to purchase a home. So, according to the experts in the analysis across the country, the projections are positive. For more information or just to chat about what may or may not be the best for you, we look forward to hearing from you here at the Acre Group. My name is Travis Poland. Thank you for watching, and just remember, thoughts become things, so make sure that they're good ones. I'll see you on the next one.